One-time upfront plans bill the client immediately upon enrollment, and attendance marking has no effect on billing. These plans are primarily used for group classes with a set start and end date where the entire service is paid for upfront. One-time upfront plans only have one configuration, which is their price. Let's create a one-time upfront plan for a summer SAT class. It can be set to $600, and when enrolling a student in the class with this plan selected, they will be billed $600 immediately upon hitting enroll. The enrollment process adds the student to the class, and the invoice is generated immediately. It is recommended that one-time upfront plans mainly be used for group classes, as most private classes are attendance or package driven.